Welcome children. Today we will discuss about determiners. First of all, what are determiners? Determiners are words that are used before nouns. This is the first thing we will say when asked about determiners. First thing is that determiners are the words that are used before nouns. And the number two thing is that, second thing is that they qualify these nouns. They are used before nouns and they qualify nouns just like adjectives. But all the adjectives are not determiners. Adjectives are also placed before noun. They also qualify. But here, what is the main thing is that, first thing is that determiners are the words that are used before nouns. They qualify nouns. But the main thing is that they fix or determine. They fix or determine the meaning of that noun. When you say boy, it is not clear which boy, but when we say this boy, the boy who reads in my class, the boy, this boy, that boy, these words, the, a, this, that, some boys, many boys, the first boy, the second boy, these all words are determiners. Some, many, any, these are also determiners. Actually, there is no such kinds or something like that. When you will read, you will not find any kinds or types of determiners, but we can categorize determiners. We have read articles. Articles are also included in determiners. We have to understand a and the are articles and they are the part of determiners. Article is included. Similarly, there is nothing new. It is not a new parts of a speech or like that, but some parts of speeches, just like adjective, but not all adjectives. For example, possessive words, my book, his, her, your, their. So these words are possessive words, and these possessive words are also parts of determiners. When question will be asked, use suitable determiner, you have to keep in the mind. All these points should be kept in the mind. What is that? First thing is that all articles are also determiners. All the possessive words are determiners. Number three, demonstrative. There are four words that comes under the category of demonstrative. That is this, that, these, those. These four words are also determiners. You have to understand that. And number four, indefinite adjectives, which is not definite. For example, some, any, many, much, few, little, less. These words are indefinite articles, and these are also determiners. These words are also determiners. You have to understand. And lastly, we can put that so many words are there which come under the category of determiner. For example, the words related to numbers, first, second, third, these are also 1, 2, 3, 4. These all words are determiners. Several, both, each, other, either, neither, next, some. All these words are also determiners. So keep in mind that the words which are used before noun, they qualify noun, they fix or determine the meaning. Determiner word has been made from the word determine. Means fix, which the word which comes before noun qualifies and fixes its meaning. Those words are determiners. And you will have to study the uses also, uses of determiners. So when you will read the use of articles, it will be clear. Possessive words are clear. There is no special attention to be paid for this, that, or demonstrative also. No. But we have to study some indefinite words where we use much and many. Countable, uncountable, many in numbers, much in quantity. A few we will study, little, a few. Few is used in countable, little is used in uncountable. Again there is few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. Few means nothing, a little means something, and the few means something that is whole. Similarly the little, a little means little, some. Little means almost nothing, and the little, something that was whole. The little water in the jug, he drank the little water in the jug, means a whole of the little. So study rules of articles, study rules of determiners are very important part of today's English grammar. We have a different chapter. This is the first chapter. We will study more rules and more practices in our next video. Thank you. That's all.